All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I don't know when this started. I think it was around iOS 11. I'm not sure, but I noticed it in iOS 11. So you can comment down below and say, hey, Jay, that actually started in iOS 10, or I don't know. But I wanted to give a quick did you know video because some people always ask me about how to save battery on their phones or devices or how I get such great battery. And pretty much if you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth running all the time, it will drain your battery. But with iOS, if you hit these two buttons right here, it's just disconnecting them. And if you saw the message there, it'll let you know that it's going to start back up tomorrow. Disconnecting devices until tomorrow. So I ran into some people where they actually thought that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi was actually off. So they'll power those off and then they'll go about their time and they say, wait, my Bluetooth's back on. See, they're still on. So you have to physically go in here and turn them all the way off. And now when you go back, you'll notice that they're actually the same color, which is kind of the see-through, transparent, just like the data and airplane mode. And so a lot of people didn't know this. And to my surprise, I figured everybody knew that. But some of you guys might watch this and say, oh, I didn't know that either. So there's a quick tip on how to save just a little smidgen of battery or just turn off things that you're not using. If you only use data through your cell phone provider, which I know several people that do because they've commented on my videos, well, Jay, I don't have Wi-Fi. I just use my cell phone data because I have unlimited. If you're using iOS, that's another way to make sure that those functions are all the way off. So it's your man, Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.